Unlock the power of time-lapse photography and create breathtaking sequences with your Sony A1 by mastering its intervalometer. First, we need to access the shooting menu. Navigate to the camera icon in your menu. From here, locate the drive mode and select continuous shooting. This is crucial for the intervalometer to function. Now, let's get to the heart of it. Go to the main settings menu, the one with the gear icon. Scroll down until you find the interval shooting option, then select it. To first setting, you'll want to adjust his interval shooting effect. Make sure this is switched to on to activate the timer. Next, the interval. This determines the time between each shot. You can set this from a fraction of a second all the way up to an hour for a smooth time lapse. Consider intervals between 2 to 10 seconds. Now, the number of shots. This is how many photos your camera will take. You can choose a specific number, like 50 or 100, or set it to create an infinite sequence until you stop it manually. Don't forget the starting delay. This gives you a few seconds to get into position or close your lens cap before the shooting begins. You can set this from 1 second to 60 seconds. For consistent exposure, particularly as light changes, you might want to adjust the tracking sensitivity. Lower setting will make the camera less reactive to quick light changes, while a higher setting will make it more responsive. Finally, interval timer priority. If you choose shooting mode, your camera will prioritize completing the shooting mode even if the interval is very short. If you select interval, it means the camera will prioritize maintaining the set interval for most time lapses. Keeping it on shooting mode is a good default. And that's it. You're now ready to capture stunning time lapses with your Sony A1, creating unique visual stories one frame at a time.